Kani gadega patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ulat Kejala Meghalaya, Dr. Dkhotmet Roy, hakan reuterik mentau benai risau arajar khatpra. Ulapun ko Burom yaki Samla pule, badan jing Duna haki Dkhotmet, kibala Pyndep yaki kerdan master degree beper-per, bat yaki professional course haki lan ki babonjan. Yakni kejipun ko Burom lapelong deka All Meghalaya Dancers Association komsi benta kejing pelong yaka Salam India Season 2. Kidan hado arf prangut ki Samla ki badan jing Duna haki Dkhotmet, kibala Pyndep yaka kerdan pule postgraduate bat professional course yaki balapen ko Burom da Ulat Kejala balalong kongsan hakini kejelang ke balalong hapo Sosotham Auditorium Shillong. Ngalor kini ki arf prangut ka amda kal ajera pro yaki hendrengut ki Samla ki badan jing Duna haki Dkhotmet ki bawan na kilong yang bedok bat ki badairu hakaju kapor ki konswen. Kani kari kasian ke Baningkong hak Kejala Meghalaya bayaki breu ki badan jing Duna haki Dkhotmet lapun ko Burom wat la dan na pleng jungki ki bala Pyndep ya kejing puli la khamslam namar ha pedeng kejing Duna kim juyo ya kejing Burom na ke imlang salang.
And we will destroy our enemies and rule him.
I was very moved by the performance of the dancers here, particularly the little children who did this dance so admirably and in such a moving way, in spite of a lot of difficulties. I congratulate them. I would also like to point out that to the All Meghalaya Dancers Association, that a function like this ought to be better choreographed. The manner in which this function is being conducted leaves a lot to be desired. But even then, in spite of all these things, the performance that has been put up by the young children has been very moving, and that has made my coming here worth its while. So I would like to congratulate each one of the performers. And above all, I would like to congratulate the differently abled children who have, not just the children, differently abled persons who have come here and who have been presented with recognitions. I thank the All Meghalaya Dancers Association for organizing this thing. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Mr. Pynkup, Divyang personalities, Divyang, the